I am on the second scene, bedroom, and you see there is no textures, only models. So we need to load some materials from the previous scene because we can add wood, floor, just the same material. So it's no reason to create it again. We can load, but to load it we must have what to load. So firstly we need to save the material, for example in the directory you want, and just then you can load the material. I have some materials loaded which we will need in this scene. So for example, grab a paint bucket, floor material, and just hit apply. Well, of course you need to scale it, but I showed you how to do it. Just right click, right click on the texture position and grab a green pointer to enlarge it. In this way you are going to need enlarge all the textures, the wood, floor, and all you need. The floor is good now. You see I changed the color as I said. For example, in the same way you have to color all the bed, the base of the windowsill. These drawers will be in white color. I will be using a kitchen white color. For the base I will be using a wood diffuse. It's the same material we were using in the kitchen and dining room and living room. For the bed mattress I will be using a simple white color, but by the way, before we add the material we should scale the bed because it's too high. So firstly hide the mattress and select legs and the base to scale it. Grab a scale tool and scale it. It's good now. After scaling is done, go to hidden geometry and unhide our mattress and select the mattress and these covers with pillow and lift it down. Go down. It's good now. So let's add a material for the bed, and as I said, for the bed I will be using simple white color. So add a white color 001 from the SketchUp materials. Go there, rename if you want it, and create a reflection material, but the reflection will be almost invisible because I'm making very tiny reflection. Let's add 0.15 and 0.2. So this will be a material for the bed. For the cover and pillow I will be using bed material, so you can add it. For the pillows also. For the lamp I'm going to use a cooker stop material. I've imported it, cooker top, and add it. As I said, for the bed you need to apply a wood material. It's simple. And for the window we are going to use the same wood diffuse material. Well, and here we go, we have a window cover. So let's add a material for it. Go to File, Import, and Fabric Plane. Open, and let's apply it. Good. Now select the texture and make everything in this color. These endings can be in, for example, kitchen white color to be shiny and have some reflections. And also this can be in this material, kitchen white material. Good. All the walls will be in wall color, so we can color it. Erase this rectangle. Also we can copy and make a rounding in the between the ceiling and walls. It's simple to do. And make it. Okay, now for this and ceiling, add a gypsum material. It's good. And well, I showed you how to apply images for the pictures with glass, and under the glass picture, don't forget it, this pillow should be in bed material. Also it's good now. Also how to create and apply materials for the books I showed you. You can copy the books from the previous scene and apply some reflection. And one only thing left. We will add some artificial light there, and for it you need a this kind of lighting, spotlight, or maybe IS light. So I have created one for you, and you can import it. Just go to File, Import, and Additional Files. Go to the SketchUp files and lamp for the bedroom. We will get it. Just scale it, and everything will be good. And let me explain you what I've created. I've created a simple cylinder in which I placed an ELS light. And ELS light, you can see it down there. Right click, V-Ray for SketchUp and Edit Light, and you can see I chose the color. There is a values, a power, let's decrease it to 5, and also I placed a IS file on it. Okay, and everything is okay. Just make sure the light is inside. Go to the scene 5 and oops, sorry, it's too big. We have to yes, I've created accidentally one light and deleted it. Everything is okay now. So after you continue with the texturing and applying materials, you can push render and we will see what we have.